All right, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be looking at integrating the models and pretty much giving you guys some heads up on uh, how you're supposed to make uh, assets for the character models. So as you can see here, we have a female character which have been slightly modified by the person who was working with it. Now this here is a ticket that was completed by Amelia DeLuco, and what she did was exactly what I tried to explain. So what you guys will have pretty much at the start is the model itself, and because we are trying to make really fast development process, we want to make this development process really fast. All you have to do is use the current model and just modify it slightly so that it can be used as a separate item in a sense. So here you can see we have the arm, the left arm. That's the original left arm. And now we have the glove of the wizard. This here is a human female wizard, and this custom was is called Lord Max Light Magic Class Graduate Custom. So basically, in NeverRage, characters or avatars will have colleges like a bar college, um, where these avatars will go to learn various trades, and when you graduate, you will get a specific unique outfit that separates you from the commoners and indicates that you are a wizard or certified or experienced or well studied wizard. And your abilities will also be named in congruency with your specialty and your trade in a sense. So with that being possible, we want these classes to be unique, and we want to have their models also be uh, very descriptive of their specialization. So we got a wizard heart, and this overall custom design for the modulars. You guys have free will to design the custom, um, to add your own touch to the custom and whatnot. As you can see, we have a little bit of touches here, little belt and whatnot. And what we're going to be doing is to add variation to these models. We'll be changing the colors of the models. Again, this is a low poly, simplistic art design that focuses more on variation and the speed of development. Um, and so I just noticed something here. Sorry. I don't know if I can rename this. Well, I just did something bad, probably. I'm gonna double click this and try to rename it. Anyways, yeah, it's my brain doing stuff again. All right, so we will get back on track here. All right, so as you can see, she just duplicated a hand model, and out of the hand model, she was able to make a glove, and that's quite amazing because now you have the scale, right? You can actually keep track of the scale and the design of the overall model, right? This is the easiest and the fastest way to make models for the characters, which will allow customization to be as fluid as possible, and as fast as possible for the modelers, right? So this is how I'm expecting you guys to uh, pretty much run through the development circle, the workflow, and she did an amazing job. And it's not only this character, that's what I'm saying. She did an amazing job. She did models for all the character, all the classes, all the trades, right? They are not called classes specifically, but they are trades, and you attend these colleges and go through these classes, and then gain the trade skills and whatnot. So again, this work was done by Emilia Delico, and she's an intern, and very fantastic job here. Um, Again, the overall thing that I'm expecting her to learn from this is um, naming convention and organization and exporting models and just working with a Blender interface, because again, Blender is gonna become popular. If you would like to look up why, like just look up the various innovations that Blender is becoming part of. Blender have become partner with like there's a program that Google is part of right now with Cesium and other companies like Nvidia and whatnot, and Blender is part of that overall innovation, and they are working on a new customization system for commercialization in the manufacturing department sector, and they're going to be doing working with factories design and whatnot. So if you learn 3D modeling, most likely you will probably be working in Blender, rendering stuff with the Disney Disney open source extension framework. I call it I think it's called Open uh, BSD. There's a specific type of file, USD file, that was open source by Disney in a sense, and Blender have become part of that, and they are trying to integrate our overall system. These technologies will catch up in the future. So yeah, so Amelia is pretty much uh, in a good place right now, being able to navigate this model and just design stuff using what she have, and the resources, looking things up and all of that. Those are the type of skills that I want you guys to have, being able to problem solve and being creative with the resources that you got. That's the skill I want to have most of my modelers learn while they are here. And again, this is an agile environment. You have full freedom to take breaks and come back and just complete your tasks. The overall goal here is to be responsible and be delicate with your work and whatnot. And this model might seem very simple, but it proves Amelia's responsibility, taking charge, and using her time effectively. Because some people, once they have enough freedom, in a sense, they don't do anything. They just forget that they have responsibilities. And I'm not gonna. It's responsibility is not something that you can just instill into somebody. The person have to personally uh, want to be responsible for them to be responsible. So that's what my interns are learning here, and great job again. So we're gonna look into Unity. We are doing the integration testing right now, and in Unity, I have the application running, and excuse the graphics and whatnot. There's obviously some body parts showing that might not be family friendly or whatnot, whatever. But this here is a low poly model, and it's not graphical in a sense to like I don't know. Anyways, apologies if this might offend some people or be a bit too graphical. Anyways, we exported a model into Unity here, and we have the model itself, and as you can see, we are testing it, seeing if it's gonna be see-through, like as you can see the legs here. Again, this isn't a problem because this is not what we are looking for. We are trying to actually get the model itself integrated, not the character body. We already have the character body here, and as you can see, the game is running, and there's a female here, and she's posing. And I was able to scale the model down a little bit and try to fit it on the character. And from this, we'll be able to determine if the model is good. And from the look of it, the skirt fits pretty well, and you cannot see through the skirt, and it looks like it's gonna work. So so far, I guess this integration testing passes, and yeah. So this is how we are gonna be making the models for the rest of the characters, and I hope this process is simple enough and easy enough for everybody to be able to participate and speed the overall development process, because this game is not about graphics, it's mostly about the features and the gameplay and the overall concept of gaming and playing an RPG, mobile hybrid RPG. So thanks again for your participation, guys. Everybody been doing great, so keep up the good work, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.